friends. Today we're going to be working in our second grade grammar book again, so you need to have that ready to go. And today we're going to be working on pages 31, 32, and 35. And friends, I have to apologize. When I put this book together, I thought I was being conscious of what I was doing, but I ended up putting kind of a messy book together. I am so sorry. So we're going to have to hunt for some of these pages. So I'm going to turn 1, 2, 3 pages until I get to this page with the cats. That is page 31 today, okay? So we are talking about plural nouns. Let's review real quick what we did last time. We were talking about nouns. Nouns are a person, place, or thing. And we talked about what a noun is and what a noun can do. And we thought of sentences for nouns, and we completed 2 different sheets for nouns. I think that we're even farther in this book for that one. Let me find that page real quick. There it is, right there. So we were writing nouns. A noun is a word that names a person, place, or thing. And today we're talking about something called plural nouns. And plural nouns name more than one person, place, or thing. So it means more than one. So if for these simple plural nouns, we're just going to add an S to them. So for example, we have 1 cat or 2 cats. And all we did was add that S to that noun to make it clear that there's more than 1 cat. Okay, so this right here says circle the plural noun in each sentence. So I am going to pause the video. I'll read the sentence, pause the video. You can raise your hand in our meeting and your teacher will call on you, and we will find the plural noun in each sentence. Number 1, Mom has a lot of jobs to do. So I'm going to talk about this a little bit, and then we'll start on number 2 with looking for the plural nouns. Mom is a noun, but it is not plural. We didn't say moms. So we're looking for that noun that has an S on the end. Mom has a lot of jobs to do. Job is a thing. It has an S on the end. Jobs is our plural noun in number 1. So we're going to put a circle around that. So pay special attention listening for the plural noun. Not just a noun, but a plural noun. Okay, so this time I'm going to read the sentence and then I will pause so your teacher can ask you, what is the plural noun? The kids like to help her. So what one is that plural noun? Pause. Nice work. Yes, the word is kids. A kid would be one kid, one child, and the kids means there's more than one child. Number 3, Pam will fix the beds. Which one is the plural noun? Pause. Nice job. Pam is a noun, but beds is the purple noun. We don't have 2 Pams. Number 4, the dogs have to eat now. Which one is the plural noun? Pause. Nice job. Yes, dogs. That was an easy one because it was a lot like cat versus cats, dog versus dogs. Number 5, Jack does the pots in the sink. Which one is the plural noun? That one had a lot of nouns, didn't it, friends? We had Jack, pots, and sink, but you were looking for that S and you noticed that pots is the one that we wanted to use. Number 6, now we can have some eggs. Which one is the plural noun? Oh, nice work, friends. Yes, we have more than one egg. We are having some eggs. Let's turn the page. If you have any questions, I'll pause and you can ask them right now. All right, let's move on to page 32. Page 32 says a plural noun names more than one person, place, or thing. Yeah, we know that. Add es to form the plural of nouns that end with s, ss, sh, ch, or x. Example, 1 kiss or 2 kisses. So did you notice that there's an es on the end of that one? So we're going to practice that right now by writing the plural noun that fits in this sentence. There's a picture of each one of these things, and we are going to add es, and this right here is our word bank. So this one says, will you help pack the, and then it's showing a picture right here. Branches, glass, box, or dish. So we have boxes, that word right there. To make it a plural noun, we're going to add an es to that word. So it turns from box to boxes. I'm going to X that out so I know that I've used that one already. We'll do one more together, and then the next two I will pause and you will solve the rest of them on your own. The next one says, this one is for pots, and then there's a picture of something right here. Is it a branch, a glass, or dish? What do we have right here? Go pause and you can answer. Right, we have the dishes, but this says dish, and we're going to turn that into dishes by adding es. Since I've used that word, I'm going to X that one out. Now, the next two, you're going to do them on your own. I will read them for you, and then you can choose the words from our word bank that fit in there. And make sure that you look at the picture too. That box is for Mom's best, and then they're showing something here. Branch, glass. I'll pause while you write your answer down. Make sure to add an es. All right, the last one says, what is on the, and then there's a picture here, and we only have one of these words yet. What is on the branch or what is on the glass? I'm going to pause so you can finish that one up. All right, the last page is right here, and it says write the plural for each noun. So some of these will only end in s, and some of them will end in es. So we practiced almost all of these words already together. So we'll do 2 together, and then I'll have you do the rest on your own to number 6. And then we'll talk about numbers 7 and 8 in just a moment. Number 1 says pet. Are we going to add one s, or are we going to add es? Try them both out. Are we going to say pets or petus? Which one is it? Pets or petus? So what are we going to add to it? One s or an es? I'll pause and you can tell me. Good job. We're going to write pets. just the S. P-E-T-S. Pets. Number 2 says box. Are we going to say box or boxes? I'll pause and you can tell me. Nice work, friends. We are going to add an ES to that. Boxes. The next ones, you need to read them and figure out what sounds right. Egg, dish, glass, and lunch. So try them out and see if you're going to add an S or an ES. I'll pause for 2 minutes while you finish that up through number 6. All right, so moving on to number 7 and number 8. The instructions here say, write 2 sentences about how you help at home. Use 1 or 2 of the plural nouns you wrote in each sentence. So you need to use one of these nouns in each of these sentences. Now, you might talk about how you pack lunches for you and your brother. You might talk about how you put the glasses away or the dishes away. Maybe you cook eggs for your family or feed your pets. If you don't do any of those things, you can make something up. I'm going to pause in just a moment because I'm going to ask a very important question. What should you have at the front of every sentence and the end of every sentence? I'm going to give a little hint right here. Thank you, friends. Yes, you need to have a capital at the front of the sentence and a period at the end. That is something we're really working on right now. When you're finished, I want to see a picture of each page on Seesaw. Thanks for learning about plural nouns with me today, friends. See you next time.